Back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to try the viral Latina makeup look. This trend is all over the internet and I've seen so many beautiful girls trying this makeup and it turned out so amazing, and I also wanted to try this makeup, but the twist is I'm a complete newbie and I do not know much about makeup, and in a regular use I do not use that much makeup. So let's see if I can pull off this makeup or not. So let me just quickly break down what Latina makeup is actually all about. It's about defined brows, sharp eyeliners, bold lips and flawless skin. It's basically bold and glamorous look. Alright, so let's start with the base. So for the base I have two options. The one by Maybelline and the other one is by Inside, and I think I'm gonna go with this Inside one. I've already applied the moisturizer. Apply a little bit of foundation. So we are done with the foundation and now we are going to try
5 minutes later.
So we have this concealer palette. I'm going to apply this with the help of my finger. Actually this foundation is not exactly my skin shade. That is the reason it looks a little bit different the rest of my skin, but तुम लोग अपनी अपनी skin shade ही लेना दो. The most favorite part of the makeup is eyebrows. So I'm just going to define my brows. It's looking so different from what I had naturally. Look at this, the difference.
5 minutes later.
So we are done with the brows and now we are going to move to the eyes. So I'm going to take this brown shade. And then you have to apply like so. Hit them lightly, okay? And then your fingers इसको थोड़ा सा spread करना है just to define your eyeliner के पहले lips कर लेते हैं तो, because I know I'm gonna mess it up. So let's just try. Already applied lip balm on my lips. I'm just going to line the lips. Pink shade from this eyeshadow palette onto our lips. Okay, so the most important and difficult step is this eyeliner. So let's just apply this. I don't know, this camera is actually not doing the justice to my makeup.
One hour later.
You see, man? I don't know, but they are looking actually good in real life, but this camera is not, capturing my makeup skills. How is this possible? भाई मैंने एक बार में इतना perfect eyeliner कैसे लगा लिया? Oh my god! I'm actually looking beautiful. The next step is to curl your so the lashes. मैंने lashes बहुत ज़्यादा ढूंढी और मुझे lashes मिल ही नहीं रही थी. I don't know मैंने कहाँ रख दिया है. Actually इसके पहले हम लोगों ने shift किया अभी recently from like अमृतसर. I'm going to use this curler to curl my flat ass eyebrows. Now we are going to curl them. Then I'm going going to apply the mascara. The next step is gloss, and I'm using this gloss by Swish Beauty. We actually forgot the contour, जो कि मुझे अभी अभी याद आया कि हम लोग contour भूल चुके हैं. Although Latina makeup does not have, I guess, a lot of blush, but I'm going to use this blush by Insight. By Insight. Okay. चोकर लग रही हूँ मैं. Okay, we are going to fix this with this face compact by Maybelline. We are going to apply a little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose. It's actually quite good. So that is pretty much it. This is how it turned out. अच्छा लग रहा है ये makeup. Mama approved. I'm kind of obsessed how it turned out. If you want to try this look, do not forget to contour and the lashes. Lashes and contour are mostly like the important ingredients for this makeup. If you like this video and you wanted to see more like beginner friendly makeup challenges, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.